Ever wondered how festivals reflect the vibrancy of cultural diversity in our societies? Multiculturalism, a rich tapestry of diverse traditions and practices, is beautifully showcased in global festivals. These celebrations, universally appealing, illuminate the marvels of cultural diversity. Festivals are indeed a mirror to a society's multicultural ethos. But how did these multicultural festivals evolve over the centuries? Tracing back to ancient times, societies celebrated festivals that embraced cultural diversity. Take, for instance, the Roman Saturnalia, a feast that saw masters and slaves switch roles, breaking societal norms and promoting equality. Over time, as societies became more diverse, these festivals grew in scope, adapting to include and celebrate the rich tapestry of cultures. This evolution highlights the enduring spirit of unity and inclusivity. Festivals have always been a melting pot of cultures, a testament to our shared history of cultural coexistence. And what role do these festivals play today in promoting cultural understanding? Festivals, in their myriad forms, offer a window into the vibrant world of diverse cultures. They allow us to delve into the traditions and practices that define various societies, fostering mutual respect and understanding. As we dance to the rhythm of another culture's music, taste their traditional dishes, or learn their folk tales, we are taking part in a global exchange of ideas and values. Through festivals, we learn, we understand, and most importantly, we appreciate the richness of our global cultural heritage. But festivals are not just about learning and understanding, are they? They're a vibrant tableau, mirroring the diversity of traditions, customs, and practices that make a society. From the rich colors of Holi in India to the mesmerizing dances of Rio's Carnival, festivals are a celebration, a testament to cultural diversity and unity. They are the rhythm, the heartbeat of a society, bringing together its many threads into a vibrant tapestry. Indeed, festivals are a vibrant reflection of the cultural tapestry that makes our societies unique and beautiful. So, what's stopping you from diving into this vibrant world of multicultural festivals? By partaking, you gain insight into diverse traditions, fostering unity and respect. Don't miss out on this colorful celebration of global cultures. Experience the joy of cultural exchange, participate in a multicultural festival, and embrace the spirit of unity in diversity.